The 2025 Kitchen Revolution. 4 timeless and trending concepts for a smarter, healthier home. The modern kitchen in 2025 is no longer just a place for cooking. It's a command center for wellness, sustainability, and intelligent design. This evolution is being driven by a powerful mix of emerging tech, conscious living, and cultural shifts in how we interact with food and space. Whether you're planning a kitchen upgrade or simply love to stay ahead of trends, these 4 kitchen concepts define where we're headed. Smart kitchens are no longer futuristic. They're foundational. Voice-controlled appliances, fridge cameras with AI-based grocery tracking, and ovens that connect to recipe apps have become the norm. These devices not only save time, but also reduce food waste by tracking expiry dates and suggesting meals based on what's already in your fridge. Beyond convenience, smart kitchens are now prioritizing health. Air fryers that analyze fat content, water taps with inbuilt purifiers and mineral adjusters, and blenders that calculate the exact nutrient content of your smoothie. Homeowners can now schedule cooking via smartphone, check pantry inventory remotely, and even get nutritional advice from AI built into their cooking ecosystem. Sustainability is taking center stage in the kitchen. In 2025, zero-waste cooking is no longer a niche practice. It's mainstream. This includes composting systems integrated into countertops, reusable silicone food wraps replacing plastic, and smart waste bins that sort recyclables automatically. Induction cooktops that save energy and energy-efficient dishwashers are now design staples. The shift also includes choosing materials: bamboo utensils, recycled glass countertops, and eco-friendly cabinetry paints that release no VOCs. Even ingredients have gone green. More households are embracing plant-forward meals, locally grown herbs in indoor garden systems, and upcycled food products that reduce the carbon footprint of groceries. The aesthetic of the kitchen has shifted too. Design minimalism now meets function in a big way. Open shelving and concealed storage help reduce visual clutter, enhancing focus and mindfulness while cooking. Color palettes have warmed up. Sage green, terracotta, and soft beige are overtaking the all-white trend. There's also a surge in dual-purpose furniture. Kitchen islands that convert into dining tables, foldable breakfast bars, and adjustable height counters suitable. Many homes now feature smart displays that double as social hubs, showing real-time family calendars, playing podcasts during meal prep, or allowing video chats while cooking together remotely. Kitchens are doubling as content creation zones, with photo-friendly setups, better lighting, and even integrated camera mounts for recipe bloggers or food enthusiasts who shoot content from home. There's also an uptick in virtual cooking clubs, weekly online meetups where people try out recipes together. All of this has made the kitchen a digital crossroads of community, creativity, and culinary exploration.